What are dental implants and how do they work? Hey there, everyone! Today, we're going to talk about dental implants and how they work. Dental implants are a popular and effective way to replace missing teeth. They are small, screw-like posts made of titanium, which are surgically placed into the jawbone. These implants act as artificial tooth roots, providing a strong foundation for replacement teeth. Once the implant is placed, it will bond with the jawbone, creating a sturdy and long-lasting base for your new teeth. The replacement teeth, which can be crowns, bridges, or dentures, are then attached to the implants. Dental implants offer a natural-looking and comfortable solution for missing teeth, allowing you to eat, speak, and smile with confidence. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.